Hey, good afternoon, my friends. I am Metaphysical Mike. Hope everyone's having a prosperous and fantastic day. We're going to be talking about Mike's secret recipe to manifesting. So you can use the law of attraction. You can manifest more money, happiness, opportunities, and bring whatever you want into full physical formation. We are artists. We have clay. Life is like clay. We can mold, we can shape, we can bend our reality and change our thoughts, and then we change our experiences every single day. Number one is we're going to start with the acronym MANIFEST, the M. M starts with move into a state of gratitude. Be like, thank you, universe, for these incredible opportunities. Thank you for that I'm alive today. Thank you for my health. Start being appreciative over the little things. Look for the little things in life to be thankful for. If it's somebody bought a coffee for you today, if it's that you slept better last night, write it down and say, Dear Universe, I am abundant. Today, I attracted abundance when I blank. You're alive. That's abundant. That's abundant in itself. The second is A, and it's acting as if. Now, some people have trouble with this one because we're acting as if, but how are we supposed to act as if we don't have it? We have to feel the energy in your body. Act as if, let's say you're in college and you want to be an actress or an actor. Act like you already have the part, like someone's going to call you an agent and for an audition or for a play in your high school, or act as if you already have $10,000 in your bank account. You're calling maybe your best friend, maybe you're calling your mother, your father, one of your good friends. You're saying, I just made $10,000. Act as if you have it and visualize to materialize. You have to see it crystal clear. Then we're going to start with N, which is now. Now is the time. You have to understand that most people, majority of society says, I'll be happy then. I'll be happy when I have X, Y, Z, when I meet this soulmate, when I have this amount of money, I'll be happy. Choose right now to be happy and to feel good. Now is the time. Don't wait till next month to, set goals. Do it right now. Now is the time. Now we're going to talk about I. Is inner guidance. Inner guidance, to talk about your higher self. Your intuition is the most accurate GPS system out there. Forget Siri, forget Google Maps. We don't need that. Use inner guidance. It's that gut feeling that, you know about someone, like, should I go talk to them? Should I not? Are they bad energy? Using your intuition. Do this through meditation. Open up your pineal gland. Decalcify your pineal gland so you can access more infinite knowledge of the universe, so you can see things, so you can feel and connect to source energy. That's so important. Now, we talked about M-A-N-I, and now we are going to be talking about F, which has to do, you have to feel the frequency. Beat the frequency means beat the frequency of, focus on prosperity. I'm sorry. You want to focus on prosperity. So everywhere you go today, focus on the prosperity and the abundance. Focus on prosperity, focus on abundance, focus on it everywhere. If you have to look outside, if you look outside your car, that's prosperity. If you have to look at, somebody paid your credit card bill, even if you have enough money, you don't want to pay the bill, but at least you have enough money to pay your bill off. Be thankful and focus on prosperity. That's the biggest thing. Now, we talked about M-A-N-I-F. Now we're going to talk about E, and E is exhaling. Exhaling doubt, anxiety, fears. Inhaling belief, confidence, love. You inhale that. Once you inhale that and you release those self-limiting beliefs and you move into a higher state, you're going to manifest so much quicker into your existence. It has to be with that. You have to exhale the doubt, the fears, the limiting beliefs that have been conditioned in us since such a young age. That is when you're shifting from a three-dimensional state of reality to a fourth and fifth dimensional state of higher consciousness, and you're evolving. And that's really, really important. Next is it's seeing. You got to see it crystal clear. You got to see it and be able to taste it, like touch it. You got to see it crystal clear with your mind. Close your eyes and do 5 to 10 minutes in the morning every day and visualize what you want. Last one is T, and that has to do with trust divine timing. Also, tell the universe exactly what you want. Write it down, your financial goal. Write down exactly what it is you would experience, your health, your body type, what kind of money you want to be making, what is your relationship looking like with your family, what do you want to bring into physical existence. I am Metaphysical Mike. If you guys enjoy this, please share with a friend, family member, coworker, best friend, your aunt, your uncle. Also, please give it a big thumbs up. If you guys haven't already, it means so much to me. If you would subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that button down below to be a part of this community. We're all about expanding consciousness, spirituality, and talking about metaphysics and taking you to a new level along your journey. Thank you. Peace. Namaste.